Everyone, it's Alessandra and welcome to the vlog where I share a glimpse of my life as a college student. So today, I'm treating myself out because the grades are out and their second semester is already done. So I have nothing to do. So I decided to just go here in Comp 7 Solemn Cafe. It's really nice. They do have like a silent area where you can just, enjoy your own company, and they also have like a plenty of chairs sa taas and then here sa may counter area nila. But I am here in the silent area because I am vlogging and I'm also waiting for the senior high in my alma mater, Southridge in Antipolo, because I'll be interviewed. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. And I just ordered the Gona latte. I was upstairs a while ago, but medyo mainit doon, so I just decided to just dine here in the silent area. And I'm also gonna upload the vlog, which consists all of the happenings during our second semester, and hopefully I'll be able to edit that kasi it's occupying my storage kasi super daming ganap ng second semester. And I'm looking forward sa third trimester namin. And so I really wanna try the croffles here, but I'm still deciding kasi my friends told me na huge yung serving nila, and I don't usually finish my food pag masyadong madami. So maybe I'll just try it kapag kasama ko yung brothers ko or yung friends ko. And I went to the Kmart a while ago, and then I purchased this, I don't know, parang pillows thing. I'm gonna get it. Mali yung pag-open ko. Anyway, I really do miss vlogging yung ganito lang, as in, kasi super eventful ng second semester and wala na akong time mag-vlog ng ganito. So this is how it looks like. So I'll go over ko lang yung interview questions. Okay, she messaged me already. I'm just gonna finish this interview and then I'm gonna check you guys out later. Okay, bye. Hey guys, it's done. And I'm just gonna spend my afternoon here in Solemn Cafe. And it's really nice here, guys. You should visit this one if you will go here in Manila. Like, it's just so nice to just, have your alone time. Oh, nagprint ako kagabi. This is me. Hi guys, so I'm here in Solemn with Harvey, and I finally got the croffles that I've been wanting, and let's try it out, and it looks beautiful. Look guys. Hi guys, I'm with Harvey. Hi po. So I changed my shirt kasi very sweaty. Kasi super init kanina and ngayon medyo windy na and mas gusto ko yun kesa sa, kasi nagno-nosebleed ako lately, but, ayun. And this is just a spunky trip with Harvey. Dapat ako lang yung pupunta today, but, ayun, free naman siya, so, we both visited Solon today, and I tried yung truffles, which I've been wanting to try, kaso lang, I ended up biting it too much and nasira yung bracket ko, but ayun, mag-adjust naman ako ulit, so yeah, that's that. And I haven't finished my coffee and I just took some photos, and then ito talaga yung object ko sa outfit ko today, my top, because I recently bought this one and I went to Oxygen 4 times for me to decide if I will buy it, kasi yung texture nga, it's suede, so mabilis siyang dumumi like pag may dust. But ayun, on my 4th visit, binili ko na kasi ayun, I just see myself wearing it. Bagay naman. So yeah.